That's my toilet. Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jacky YBT, tech, weight, tech, everything. And today I'm quite excited, to be honest. Why? I just got a brand new Huawei Band 4. Well, it's not a new product, but I just got it. Yeah, so it's quite new for me. And this is a fitness band. The previous fitness band that I still own, but I'm no longer using it, is the Xiaomi Mi Band 2. Because of the display issues. When I first bought that Mi Band 2, I thought to myself that this fitness band gonna make me more healthier, you know, encourage me to get out and do more exercise. But it turns out no. I guess because of technology that time quite limited. So today I'm gonna introduce you guys this Huawei Band 4. By the way, this is not a sponsor video. I hope that Huawei sponsor me. If you guys see my video, yeah, go and check out my business email, my YouTube page. Yeah, go check it out. Contact me, Huawei. Yeah. Okay, so without further ado, let's get straight into it, the unboxing procedure. So first thing first, let's look at the packaging. That's the first thing that you will see when you get something new. Yeah, so very simple. As you can see, the product image of itself, the Huawei Band 4 type here, and some of the features, plug and charge, creative watch faces. You can change many watch faces, and Huawei logo. At the side, you can see there's a QR code here. So you can scan this QR code and go to the Google Play Store or their own Huawei store to get their software, the Huawei Health. You need to get that software in order to sync our health data to your phone. Yeah. So at the back, you can see there's a summary of the features. There's 6 of it. Plug and charge. You can just charge it with the USB port. Just plug it out and then you charge it. Very simple. Later I will show you guys. And this video is about a hands-on and unboxing. I will do an in-depth review soon. Creative watch faces. Yeah, these 2 features shown in the front already. Heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, 9 workout modes, and 50 meters of water resistance. So pretty good. You can wear it while you're taking shower. You can wear it to swim. Yeah, no problem with that. And some FCC logo, Bluetooth logo. And what else? At the side, some model names and some more information. Okay, nothing special there. Bottom, same thing. And the color that I got is the graphite black. As you can see, graphite black. It comes with 3 different colors: the sakura pink, amber sunrise, and the graphite black. The one that I got it. So you don't open on the top. You open at the bottom, like this arrow showing now. So I'm just gonna cut it through with my trustworthy cutter. Okay, that's it. Smooth and steady, very easy. And it's the same thing. I don't want to damage the box. I want to keep it, but I have a problem with this kind of packaging. When you try to unbox it, your thumb stuck it inside and will cause a dent in the middle. But this time, not too bad, not too bad. Okay. So what else? So nothing inside. There's 2 compartments to store. Okay. First thing, boring warranty card. You should read it when you need it. Yeah, that's it. I'm not going to read it. And the instruction guide, quick start guide, same thing. Comes with multiple languages. Yeah. Same boring stuff. Teach you how to charge, how to use the band itself. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, what is this? A sticker approved by some organization. Okay, good. National Telecommunication Commission. Good. To ensure this product is safe to use. Okay, what else? Here, give you a small card, teaching you how to charge it. It's very simple. You just plug it off, take it off from one of the side, and then you charge it with your power outlet, power adapter, your phone charger, Yeah, that's it. What else? More sticker about the model number. So I will put the spec at the side for all the geeks out there. Yeah, pause it if you want to read it. Yeah, so move on. Okay, so this thing looks really nice in hand, and this is a rubber band, they're very common use in the cheap fitness band, sport band, particularly. Yeah, so this is how you unstrap it. Is that a word for that? No, just untie it, and the display is 0.98 inches and 2.5D. Okay, I'm not gonna go into more detail. That's for the review. Then is this. Okay, so you push it, this thing, can you see? Yep, you push it and then you drag it out. Yeah, very simple. So this is not the port that you're gonna charge it. As you can see, there's no Go connector, anything. So put it back, and it should be another side, opposite side. Yeah. If you see this metal thingy, it's not a Go, sorry about that. This indicate that you can charge it with your power adapter. So it seems like there's no battery left. So if you want to charge your Huawei Band 4, it's recommend you guys use a power bank to charge it, because this is a low voltage device. You don't need to plug it in your like fast charging charger. That's too much. So you just prepare your power bank and you plug it straight into it. Okay. So there's some juice left, so you can see. Okay, let's set it up. Okay, please install Huawei Help on your phone and add the device Huawei Band. So this is the first thing that you should do when you start using your Huawei Band 4. I'm gonna connect to my phone now, and this is how you wear it. Put it like this. Okay, this is how you wear it. Okay, look at that. It's very easy to wear it. So for the watch faces, for Android user, you can get more watch faces in their Huawei watch faces store, but for the iOS user, you can't get any more. So what you get is what you get. Right? You only get 3 different kinds of watch faces. I'm going to show you right now. You go to the bottom, more, click more, and you will see faces. See faces. As you can see, 1, 2, and 3. You only get 3 for the iOS user. For Android user, you can get more. Okay, I already installed the apps and register it. So this is the Huawei Help apps. So click it and see whether it will find my device. Press add. Okay, smart band. You're downloading data, please wait. Okay, gonna click view more. We'll be right back. This take a while, man.
A few moments later.
Oh, okay, so just now it will show like the old Huawei Band series. So right now it show the right one, Huawei Band 4. Yeah, connect, pairing. When you start to pair it, you must accept it from your Huawei Band 4. So you press this take button and you wait. Wait, okay. Once you press yes, the take, and then you pair it with your phone. So it's both sides. You need to click both sides. Yes, allow while using the apps. Okay. So this is the first thing it will show to you. Firmware update. It depends. Some device no need to update. It comes with the latest firmware, but in this case, no update right now. Okay, some change log, fix a lot of things. Okay, update. Yeah, it's pretty fast. It's just a small update. Okay. Take note, this band requires at least 20% of battery life in order to update it. So remember that. I'm gonna fast forward it and show you guys the end result.
More moments later.
So I just finished 4 updates. 4 updates. Oh my goodness. 4 updates. Took me around 1.5 hours to finish all the updates. So right now I got the latest firmware. So 1.0.2.102. That's the latest one. Okay, so I just finished setup everything. Oh yeah, so I forgot to show you how you get to this page. So when you open this apps, the first thing you greet is the home page, and this is your user picture, you know, photo, and your device which connected, and this is the step, workout plan, running plan, weight, heart rate, and sleeping data. You can manage the cards. If you don't want some of the feature, you can just turn it off and you won't see your weight, yeah, like I did. The second one is discover. So as you can see, pretty self-explanatory. Fitness data, show you all the fitness data like the distance, the calorie burns, how many steps, your weight, and the climbing and how many hours or minutes you sleep. The second one is the workout, and there's over 9 different workout modes. Outdoor walk, cycling, you can change it. Yeah, nothing special here, pretty normal. And you can set up a plan if you want. Third-party service, so far there's 2 only. And you go to the device. If you want to change any setting, click on your device. Make sure your fitness band turn on the Bluetooth, you connect with your phone, yeah, in order to change any setting. The first thing is Huawei True Sleep. I turn it on because I think this will help me in the future, and I will use it continuously. This is pretty easy to understand. So Huawei True Sleep is to monitor more accurately when you are in deep sleep or light sleep, REM sleep, or awake. So it will evaluate the quality of the sleep you are getting and give you some tips and for how you can improve it. So show you all the data that you need. Maybe during 1 to 2 a.m. you had a like a deep sleep or light sleep, so you can improve based upon the data. Second one, activity reminders, pretty common in all the fitness band, which is reminds you to get your ass up, walk around after you're sitting for too long, so you better stand up and walk around. Okay, continuous heart rate monitoring. We will detect your heart rate every single second, so it will reduce tremendously on the battery life. So I disable it. I don't think I need that. The same goes to the Huawei True Sleep. It will use up a bit more battery life. And heart rate limit warning, like when your heart rate exceeds certain level, it will give you some warning. Yeah, you can set it up whenever you want. Function customization. There's 5 different cards, and this is the cards. Let's say I want heart rate to be the first, so you can change it, move it to the first. You can change the order and press save, and it will show up here. Now heart rate show in the first place. Notification, when you receive, there's quite a number of apps that support, yeah. And Bluetooth disconnection reminder. So raise wrist to wake screen, a pretty common feature. As you can see, you just do this action, this movement, you will see the time, and so on. And you can check your firmware update. Like I said, I went through 4 updates, finally get the latest update. So right now, no new updates. And so that's about it for the app explanation or the feature that you get. And I will do a much more in-depth review in the future, so stay tuned for that. Remember to give a thumbs up, comment down in the comment section below, subscribe it, share it to friends and family. If you support this channel, you can donate to my PayPal account, but no force, no pressure. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.